Hi friends, welcome to HomeoCare, and today's topic is about psoriasis scalp. If you are watching my video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my channel, and of course at the side there is a bell notification, the bell icon. You just have to press that, so every week whenever I upload a new video, you will be able to watch it first. So today's topic, as I told, is about psoriasis scalp. Of what is psoriasis? So psoriasis is an autoimmune disease. It's a disease because when our immunity or our body acts against our own cells or organs, that is when we tell it is autoimmune disease. Okay. So at the start I tell you, psoriasis is not contagious, and if you have or some of your friends or relatives have it, is not going to spread from one person to other. So you need not worry on that behalf at all. Of course, it is hereditary or genetic, because we have seen in certain cases, like if the mother or father or mother's or father's family has it, then chances of you having it is always higher. Now, once we know that this is a reason for it's an autoimmune disease, then let's go ahead with what are the symptoms of psoriasis. See, psoriasis can come anywhere on your body. Now, there are different types of psoriasis depending on the area it affects. For example, if you have psoriasis in your bends, like for your elbows, behind the knees, or around your neck, then it's called flexural psoriasis. If you have it on your palms and on your soles, and it is called as palmar and plantar psoriasis. And of course, if you have it on your scalp, then it is called as scalp psoriasis. As our hair series is going on, I am going to go with scalp psoriasis. Now you see, how do you understand you have scalp psoriasis? In scalp psoriasis, the symptom you are going to see is that you will have here and there areas of scaling. Now when you see the scales, they are silvery scales, and because the scaling itself you can make out it is psoriasis. Now what happens in psoriasis is that, as I told you, already mentioned, it's an autoimmune disease. Because of the faulty immune mechanism, the cells of scalp are produced very fast. Because of this fast production, they layer one on the top of the other, which forms a scaling. Now with psoriasis, the biggest problem of patients face is that there will be severe itching. Itching is very unbearable. And when you itch or scratch, of course you may feel a momentary relief, but when you itch or scalp and you remove the scaling, of course you can see bleeding or blood spots, which is characteristic of psoriasis. Now if you want to know it in further detail, whether it is or how to differentiate between psoriasis and seborrheic dermatitis and dandruff, of course you will have to watch my video, that is when to meet a doctor for your hair, in which I have explained all these three things in the detail. Now to go about psoriasis again, now as I told, there will be scaling and itching and burning, and there will it can, from your scalp, it can spread towards your forehead, and you can find it on your neck and behind the ears too. Now once there is psoriasis, what is the solution for it? That's what is most commonly asked. I have seen many people use lot of home remedies, just trying to make the scales soft so that it just falls off and goes and does not create an embarrassment for you. I am not against anything as home remedies, but I want to tell you a point very clearly. That is, as I told you at the start, it's an autoimmune disease. So by any amount of home remedies or shampoos or creams or lotions or salicylic acid shampoos or something, it's not going to work. It is just going to keep on forming again and again. It's a faulty mechanism. So the only solution which is there for psoriasis to get rid of it and to cure it is, of course, homeopathy. Of course, if you use homeopathic medicines, you go to a homeopathic doctor and show your scalp, and once he confirms it, depending on your symptoms, he is going to prescribe you the best matching homeopathic medicine for you. Now see, in psoriasis, if you tell we don't have medicines, like you tell psoriasis scalp and I'm just going to short out with 2 or 3 medicines, which is not going to happen, because as I told, each person has got their own characteristic with psoriasis. For psoriasis scalp, some may have, it becomes worse in cold weather for some, then for some it's more during the summers, and for some it is more during while washing your scalp, and for some with hot water, and for some with cold water. So depending on your characteristics, the doctor is going to give you the right medicine so that you get cured of your psoriasis. The biggest problem with psoriasis is that when people have psoriasis, especially scalp, you see your friends looking at your scalp more or head more than looking at your face, which causes a lot of embarrassment and inferiority complex, and of course some of my patients have even gone into depression. But don't worry, you can correct it. It is a correctable disease. It's a curable disease. You can get rid of it. Show to a doctor, homeopathic doctor, and get it cured and get relief from all these symptoms. So today's topic only for so much, and let's meet you on the next. If you loved my video, then like it and share it and subscribe it so that it encourages me to make more such videos. So thank you. Stay healthy. Take care of yourself. Bye.